Alrighty, so welcome back to the next part of our drawing of our post support. So I'm just going to go ahead, I like saying that, I'm just going to go ahead, select a new sketch on this side face, and again you can write that up the way that you want it. And from here I'm going to use my line tool and just define the 2 points that I need to drill these 2 holes. And Ethan Hoskins right next to me is going to lend me his ruler, aren't you, Ethan? Say hello to the viewers at home, Ethan.
G'day.
Okay, so I'm coming 20 in and 20 down. 20. Just going to go back ahead. Go back ahead. Go back and do that one again. So 20 across, 20 down. Same on the other side. $20 across, 20 down. And then at the bottom in the middle, that should line up for me right there. From that bottom edge, or the edge of the fillet, I'm just going to come up 40. And then I'm going to do it straight this time. Okay. Line from the bottom, come up 40, enter, and then I'm going to put points at those lines, and then I'm going to get rid of all of those lines to identify. And don't forget the sweeping motion of your mouse, either right to left or left to right, will help you in selecting each individual line. So once I've done that, I can just finish the sketch, go through and select hole. I want to go all the way through. I want my holes to be 10 mil in the settings this time, as opposed to 12 last time. Pick the centers. 1, 2, 3. Now if I select through all, that should drill the hole through both sides, and then I can come back and have a quick look. And there's my stirrup ready to go. As I said, you can play around with the edges and things like that if you want to. The next thing I'm going to do up here is have a look at my material. I want this to be a galvanized metal. Where are we? Galvanized steel, again, right here. And it gives that impression that it's a galvanized steel. Again, saving work as we go. Okay, so welcome back. I'm just going to try and put this file into a DWG file, and I'm just going to play around with it until I've got a nice front view. As you can see, sometimes it takes a little bit of getting used to and mucking around with it. Now again, I'm going to come up here, and I'm just going to come down to my metric settings. Just going to select DWG. And the first thing you need to do is place your base. So I'm just going to go with the current view as my base. Come down. Going to go front, top, side view, and I'm also going to put in an isometric view up in the top corner there. Right click, and then I'm going to go create. Now your views can be moved around, especially from your base view here. They can all be moved around. You can make adjustments if you put them in the title block like I just did then. Again, I'm going to move them over a bit. Just evening up your page. Now again, in this particular part there are a stack of options.